this window. Let's admit someone. You said someone was waiting. I don't see that person. Okay, let's try again.
Hi, morning, Doc.
Hi, good morning.
Do you mind if I ask a question?
Sure.
I heard you said earlier that the glottic obstruction would be more characteristic of expiratory stridor. Is that what you
No,
said?
that's not what I said, and it's a good thing you asked the question. Obstruction at the level of the glottis is typically inspiratory.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Just want to
So
confirm. Thank you, Doc.
that's fine, not a problem. So we have no issues with the slide. You can see the slide, right?
Yes, Doc, you can see the
Yes, Doc.
slide.
We can see the slide.
So did you see this slide initially in its entirety when I was talking? Yes or no?
Not in its entirety.
I didn't hear?
Not in its entirety.
All right. Okay. Nice. So do you need me to go over this again, or that's okay?
It wouldn't hurt.
It wouldn't hurt. All right. Okay, let's do it again.
Yeah, Doc, I don't think you could put it in full screen because either that
I
or
realize that you are not seeing it, huh? Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. Let me.
either that or the recording box at the top of left there taking up some space.
I think so. I think so. Let's take that out, and you can see the full screen, right?
Doc, can you
Yeah.
record using the Zoom? Because that would work.
Yeah. I think we'll have to do that because it's encroaching on our slide. Okay. All right. So this is fine. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. So we had said.
Doc, you have to reshare the slide. We're not seeing it.
Let's go again. I forgot that